So now let's see how we can work around with the transport menu play options. So to work around with transport menu play options, I'm going to go around into transport, and you can see playing is an option. So as were there any other playing playing methods, you can simply click on play. And then you can stop. So what happens when you do this is that once you play again right here, it just stops, and then the cursor goes back into the beginning. But if you want to go around and play and stop and set cursor, so you can go around and play. And once you click on play and set cursor, it'll set the cursor right here. So now if I were to go to transport right here and then go to play, you can play from that exact point. If you want to loop play, then you can go around and then select out a portion right here. In the audio, you can go to transport, and in playing option, you can see loop play is an option. And you can pause right here as well. And those are how you work around with the play options from the transport menu inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.